Welcome to Rothenburg in Germany. We have 24 hours to explore the town before we move on, but it is so cute. Our accommodation is amazing. It's in this cute little building and followed by every other cute building in this town. In Rothenburg, they have an all year round Christmas store. Look at it. This town is so cute. Literally every street is like this.
Weighing on my heart, I just dropped right out of school like yesterday. Not like I was planning from the start, but all my friends got futures living up in space. Mama said I gotta play my part, write these tunes and live your dreams, we gon' get paid. My pops and I have been a world apart.
So we've come out to like a very traditional German restaurant, and I'm super excited because we can get some meat.
You kept it real with me, I'm glad you stayed.
First try of sauerkraut.
Real German sauerkraut.
Is it?
It's beautiful. It's really good. It's it's sweet, but it's bitey.
We just had the best German meal ever. It was so good, and it was cheap, and it was authentic, and it was so cute. We have China Bolani something.
I don't know what that is. That's what they look like.
Holy moly, they're here.
So these are a traditional sweet from Rothenburg. You can't get them elsewhere. And they are made out of short crust pastry. I think you just go dig in with this.
And your flavour is?
Oh, I've got cinnamon and butter flavoured.
I think maybe you bite them. I have Baileys. Uh-oh. These are really good.
Because of custard?
They're like,
Really light.
yours?
they're really light. Mine's Baileys. Oh.
To change a life, I'm just a guy who's just trying to find the strength to survive. So who are you to tell me what to do?
Good morning from Rothenburg in Germany. We have got a couple of hours this morning, so we are going to walk around in and around the town hall before we head off shortly. So we'll see how these go.
And I know that you thought that you'd take my spot, but like the world spinning, I'm the one thing you can't stop.
So we're walking along the wall, as you can see it runs all the way along here. Anyway, but these are the little holes, and you could obviously tell that back in the day they would have like guns or cannons or whatever they'd get going to shoot out and make sure they can protect Rothenburg.
You can't stop. I'm the one thing you can't stop. I'm the one thing you can't stop. Man, I ain't gon' lie, Pops. You are hard on me, you really got my blood pumping, using every artery. But now I see the picture painted looking like some artistry. The tough love that we had will always be a part of me. And as I'm writing this, I'm losing my breath. Man, I think I'm going crazy, I'm perusing our texts. And I know that we will argue, but you taught me how to listen. And you always kept it real, Dad, that taught me.
So we've just come into like a local meat store, and it's so cute, and the smell in here is amazing. So we bought like some local sausages and stuff to eat and try and sample.
I'm the one thing you can't stop. I'm the one thing you can't stop. I'm the one thing you can't stop. Who am I to change a life? I'm just a
And
guy.
that wraps up our time here in Rothenburg. One day here is absolutely perfect. It is a gorgeous town to walk around in. Best to avoid the middle of the day because that's when all the tour groups come in and it gets quite busy. But afternoons, early mornings, beautiful. thank you for watching Pine Tori. Please subscribe to see where you can find me next.
Who's just trying to find the strength